Hello and welcome back. Now we will go through the Pareto chart that we said before that we go through it. First of all, what's Pareto chart, or some people name it the 20-80 method? It's a chart that shows the frequency against the percentage of a process, of each component in the process. So as per the previous example in the previous class, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Each step, how many minutes it takes. So I have here the timing, and here I have what you call decreasing trend of the time spent for each step. So pouring the water was the minimum time, and drinking was the biggest time. And this red line here, it shows where are the percentage of each one of those steps. What we do usually in the Pareto chart, we go to the 80% and we draw a line and see where is the intersection, which is here. So 80% of my process is wasted on drinking and heating the water. If I reduce those two, my process will be less waste consuming. To prepare the Pareto chart, we can use the Microsoft Excel by 6 simple steps. I will show you this in a video later. First, we have to list the process in value stream map. As we said before, we have 5 steps: drinking and heating, whatever. Then we sort them from the largest to the smallest. Then we make the cumulative summation. We'll see how to do that. And then we calculate the percentage of the cumulative value. Sorry for my pronunciation, it's okay. And then we can draw the bar chart for the processes. And then we change the data type of the percentage to show the curved line we see in the chart. How to do this? Very simply in this Excel sheet. First, here we identify the process. Then we go to the time cumulative summation, which is the first value plus the previous, then second value plus the previous, third plus the second plus fourth plus the third. We'll see that in the example now as we in the video. So here we are listing heating the water, bringing the tea, then we have bringing the sugar, then to bring the spoon, and then to bring the cup. Then we said pour the water. After that we mix the mixture. Then we go to the tea bag removal, take it out of the cup, and then we drink the tea and enjoy it. So each one of these steps has certain time, and we list the time here in this column. So I have 3 minutes. Here we have 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 again, 0.25. Then we have the 0.5. Then we mix it in 1 minute. We take the tea bag out in half a minute, and we drink in 10 minutes. Now we have to take all this data and sort them out in the Excel by the value of the time, and will be from the largest to the smallest, as we can see here. Oops. Okay. So now we have the data in a decreasing trend. So first cell here in the cumulative sum, it will be only the 10 minutes here. The second value will be 10 minutes plus 3, and we copy the value or the formula to the rest of the items. Cumulative percentage is simply the cumulative summation value divided by the total of the cumulative summation. And we put the dollar mark here to make it fixed cell. We copy the formula and we convert it to a percentage. Now we are almost done. We just highlight these 3 columns: the process, the time, and the cumulative percentage, and we create the bar chart. Remove the legend. Now right click on the value of the percentage, and we make it as secondary axis, and then we right click again to change the series type and make it in a line. So now we have our Pareto chart here. We have down all the processes. Here just I'm editing the limit to make it 100, and then it will be like what we call Pareto chart. So you can draw the 80 line, and you can see that really your process is only on the drinking and heating of the water. So this is the end of this session. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question regarding the Pareto chart, you can ask in the comment section below, and I can send the file for you for further information if you want, no problem. And I am ready to explain it to you again in a separate video if you would like. So for more lean education, stay tuned.